Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we will learn how to use the timeline to control layer animations, slide behavior, and create smooth transitions with custom timing and playback speed. At the top, you have access to the toolbar where you can add slides, layers, or access different settings. On the right side, you will find general module options for customizing the slider and each layer like text or images. At the bottom is the timeline, which controls the order and timing of animations for each layer. To set up the timeline, first select the layer you want to animate from the timeline at the bottom and adjust when the layer appears or disappears by dragging the bar. If you want to control the entire slide's timing, use the slide BG animation at the top of the timeline. This helps you coordinate when each layer and the slide's background elements show up. To create complex animations, you can add multiple keyframes for each layer by clicking on the diamond icon in the timeline. This allows you to set different points where the animation changes. You can adjust the transition effects like fade in, slide, or zoom by selecting them from the animation panel, giving your design more dynamic movement. To control animation timing and playback speed in Slider Revolution, select your layer, then click on Animation tab. Here you can adjust the timeline and duration by dragging the timeline or entering the values. You can also modify the playback speed for smoother transitions. Experiment with these settings to create dynamic, eye-catching animations for each service you provide. This helps ensure each element appears and moves at the right place in your design. That is a wrap on how to use timeline. Subscribe and watch more Slider Revolution tutorials.